Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off dial pad sound on Infinix Hot 40i device. Okay, the dial pad sound can be loud and disruptive, especially in quiet environments such as offices, libraries, or public places. So, turning off the sound helps to maintain a peaceful environment and prevents unnecessary distractions. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, go ahead and open dialing app. Okay, so here, look for the settings at the top right corner and tap on it. Okay, and then select sound and vibrations. Okay, next, here please scroll down till you find advanced options and tap on it. Okay, lastly, turn this toggle off like this. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off dial pad sounds on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.